Hey guys, we're out here fishing someplace South Carolina. I'm probably one of the best ginger fishermen all time. I'm playing, but we're out here fishing. We got a little rainbow looking worm out here, artificial, and we got some plastics. This is plastics. We got some live worms. We're gonna be using that for catfish or whatever will bite, and we're using this for bass because I recently put some spotted bass in here from Lake Murray all the way up there. And yeah, we're gonna be fishing. Hopefully we get some, y'all. We're propping it up right here. Okay. Today, I'll be using a reverb steak piece rod. I don't really have a big bass hook on here, so we're gonna have to make it work. So, I'm just gonna try to catch a little bass, maybe see what happens with it. Gonna see. Oh. Hooking the worm currently on now. Since it's not a bass hook, I'm not gonna hook it like you do the bass hook, so I'm just gonna try to do like a little grub. You know how you hook those on? I'm just gonna try to do it like that and hopefully something happens. Actually, I'm gonna do it the actual way. If I can, please. And also, I'd like you to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm just starting out, getting in the YouTube business. And also, my favorite YouTube channel is a Googansquad. So if y'all see this every video, I'd love that. Okay, you got it on there. And guess what? I do have your baits, just not on me right now. I'll buy a mystery tackle bottle every once in a while and I get your cut. I also have one of your rods. So I'm just working it in this way. Got one. Oh, it came off. Oh boy. That was a big one there, son. That thing was at least 5 pounds, man. That sucker, I'll tell you, he took that sucker, he took it. Oh, mighty. Hey, hide my friend. Googansquad. Oh, I love you. Hopefully I can get him on there again. Not in the exact spot where he bit at, but you never know. He might be watching. Oh man, I'm gonna have to send this video to my dad and me. I'm not a bad fisherman, I know that for a fact. But you know what, I'm gonna work shallow, try to catch the little baby bass first before working on that guy. Like basically like a little top water kind of deal, floating worm. Caught fish here before. I haven't caught so many years though, but it's been a little while. I'm very excited out here to have this opportunity to go fishing. I don't know. I'm also excited to be starting out as a YouTuber. It's always been my dream. So I'm basically gonna let this bait sink, then I'm gonna slowly start reeling it. It takes a long time for it to sink. Oh, Mr. Bass. I wonder why I ain't biting on that stuff no more. Don't worry, y'all. We'll try to get him. I need to check my bait first. Yeah, that's what happened. The hook's showing. Basically, no, I don't have the right hook, like I said earlier, but I'm just gonna make it work. make it barely show to make it less shiny in the top. It might look like a little shad swimming around, you know. Might not, but just trying to catch that big old bass. I think it might have been a spot, but I don't know. It's green, so it might be a large. Different old casting area. Start right there. I guess I messed up on my cast. I've never seen it. See if the bass picks it up on the way down. Suppose not. Basically what I'm doing is like letting it sink slowly, and then every 2 seconds I pop it right back up. Water's pretty murky, so I think a bright bait might be best. But I don't know. Don't tell me. I just saw a fish falling over there. No, I'm not too sure. I also like Zach catching fishing. Like him fishing wild fish. That's all before. Oh, I got a bird's nest. Gotta fix that. Slowly. Actually, I'm just gonna cast it out far. Maybe that might help. Please don't hook onto a fish now. Please don't. Just reel it in so much it was, but guess I got to. Okay. Excuse me, y'all. I'm gonna get out of the camera real quick so I can track this stuff out. Basically, my rod's like has a huge bird's nest. I know how to fix them, but the bird nest is like tangling on to the other line. And I think I'm just making it worse. So y'all, I'm gonna have to sit this thing down right here, right now, and start untangling them. There she's tangled. Tangled. But I want to make sure that I'm not tying a knot when I try to untangle. It's always the first step. But I think it's just one of those where you can just pull it apart. Oh no, don't want a knot. Like I was saying, I think it's just one of those where you can slowly pull it and it won't tie. But if you pull it fast, then it will tie. Nope, tied. Thank God it's not hard. Should have got it the first thing I did. Might need to cut her off. I can put her back on there though. Ain't no problem. Actually, I got it. I actually got it. 1 minute. I just gotta reel it like really very slow. Dumb dog. Sorry, not the camera. Yeah. Reel it in. Oh no, I can't reel it in. Damn, sucker, it's tangled. Even more. Spinning reel is officially untangled. Well, not like spinning reel is not my line. hope this fixes things. Nope, that made it worse. Okay. Get all the line on. There y'all. This is... Let me get my bait on this thing so it's not getting mud all over it and back won't bite it. So basically this is what I'm dealing with, y'all. My whole line's tangled up. I know it's probably messed up. But I'm gonna just try to fix it, you know? Because nothing, I hope it don't ruin my fun. I also have another rod, but whatever. This is a spinning rod, so it's like made for pretty much like bass fishing. My bait caster is not made for, well actually, it's just an old bait caster. You know? Just like really old. You know what? Oh, I got it. One part untangled. There we go. Smart me. Okay, there's a little entangler right there. Oh, I got that untangled a little bit. Okay, I'm excited. So I hope it don't ruin my fun. Spent my hard work finding the trunk. Oh, my sister's here. She's gonna be in the video. Hey! Yeah! I caught a fish almost. I have it on video. What? Yeah. There's only this one and that one. There's... Yeah, I'm using her fishing rod. I'm making a YouTube video. I have it all on video. Don't, I have a little immature 9-year-old with me, but, you know, my fault. I haven't watched John B in a while, but he's one of my favorites too. Flair too. I love Flair. I watch him a lot. And I know a lot more. I just can't think of their names. I know the one that goes hunting in Texas. Forget his name. He made like his own bow. I think that's really cool. I've always tried to do that when I was like younger. Just never worked out. I might have to cut her off. Yeah, that's what just happened. Oh, how many pound? If I can break it, then it's probably like 2 5-pound test lines. Like, it can't be that big. There we go. Whoa, is it? Okay, I think something worked. Got it. Barely, I think. Kylie! I'm making a YouTube video. Okay. I have the big bass on video.
Where's my fishing rod?
Right here. It's the only fishing rod we got.
Mine?
Yeah, and another one. Man. Alright, y'all. I'm still trying to untangle this thing, y'all. At this point, I might just break it off, but no, I don't want to ruin anything. Oh, it already broke off by itself. Yippee-ki-yay. Alright, y'all. Time to switch rods. I have to tie it for my sister. And everything. I'm making a YouTube video. I'm making a YouTube video, so don't... Dude, the rod's broke. You wanna fix it?
What?
The line's broke. You wanna fix it? Dude, I had a huge fish on. Alright, y'all, this is the end of my video I made today. Hope you had a little bit of fun. Next time, I'll hopefully catch something. Wish me luck.